Hi everyone, my name is Ratri Lintang Kinasi. My student number is 0703128924 and my friend.
My name is Radeffialdi with number ID 06301 2820 25 034.
Okay, in this task 3, we will discuss about passage 6 and hi Radev, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm very well. By the way, have you read text 6?
That's all.
What do you think about that, Radev?
I think this is a story about telescopes. I am interested in reading it. There are astronomers who use a telescope to collect information about the sky.
Sure, the topic is very interesting about astronauts using direct photography like telescope.
How they do it on the telescope?
To do this, they have special light-sensitive coatings on glass plates, whose size depends on the type of telescope employed.
I think so, like you say.
Can photography use exposure in a short time?
No, because long exposure increases the amount of light hitting the plate so that a very big object in the sky eventually appear clearly. Even the most sensitive light covers only a small fraction of the photon that hit into an image. Do you think photography is still useful or not?
Photography is still very used because it acts as two-dimensional detector covering a large area at the focus of the telescope. Therefore, the information contained in a single photo can be overwhelming, especially when the photographer has a wide-field telescope.
Oh, I agree with you.
Do you know the characteristic of a wide-field telescope?
Yes, I do. Wide-field telescope commonly require a very large glass plate. This plate do not bend, can be measured accurately, and can preserve information over a long period of time, providing a record that an astronomer at a later time can examine.
Yes, that's right. Wide-field telescopes can be used by astronauts.
Astronomers now use telescopes.
Most astronomers can study and change views from the telescope focus on television monitors, and in most cases, the data can later be converted by computer into digital form.
What is the name of the procedure?
This procedure, called image processing, plays a central role in astronomy.
So, what about current technological developments? Are there any new things used by astronomers?
Now, with the development of radio telescope and X-ray technology, the astronaut can make it possible to see images that are not visible to the eye.
Oh, that's amazing. Surely now they can use fake colors to display in computers. That's the naked eye can see.
Yes, and these colors are false in the sense that they are not the actual colors of the object in the visual spectrum.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Of course, do you think they have a specific property code?
Yes, they have a specific property, such as the X-ray emissions from stars.
I think we understand enough from the text 4. From the text 5, I'll go first because there is an additional class. Thank you for wanting to discuss, Radev.
Very impressive. Thanks. See you next time.
Okay, see you, Radev.